Well, Mareeba's got a nice free museum with a little community built out back. Mareeba used to grow tobacco. Noting the income from a pack of 30 cigarettes when they were $9.86 a pack. The grower got 6 cents per pack. The retailer got $1.30. The manufacturer $1.30. And the government got $7.20.
What can I get for you, ma'am?
I'd like a drop of red, please.
Would this be enough for you?
I'll take 2.
I thought so.
I told you shouldn't have had that second one.
This one's really cool because you can see it has its own little beach Grant is standing on. And the stream keeps on going. Who knows how many countless places you can swim in here. Lucinda, the longest service jetty in the southern hemisphere. It's 5.76 kilometers in length. Taylor's Beach at low tide.